What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw a Shy Guy from Super Mario. Let's begin today's lesson. In the center of the page, we're going to draw two large ovals for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. From the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom of the eye, and then bend that all the way back up towards the top. Now I want to leave a small gap in between the eyes and draw the same size oval on the right. So let's start by lining up the top, bring that down towards the same height, and then bend that back up towards the top. Let's add a thick edge along the outside of the eyes. Starting from the very top, just going to taper this around, leaving a small gap, and pull that back in towards the bottom. And then do the exact same thing on the right. Now in between the eyes, we're going to step down and draw a small oval for the mouth, and then we'll fill that in black. I'm going to switch to my thick black marker. We're going to fill the inside of the eyes. You want to leave that trim along the outside. Now I'm going to surround the face with a large oval. Let's start over on the left side of the head. We'll start with the top. We're going to go up, round up the mask, go across, and then bring that down towards the right, towards the same height. Now let's draw on the bottom of the mask. Starting back on the left, cut this down, pull that in underneath the mouth, go across, and then we'll bend that up towards the right side. Let's add a thick strap along the outside. Starting on the left, going out, line this up on the right. Now let's step down, draw another line going out on either side. Now connect the top and bottom with a curve, just bending this out and then back in. Now I want to draw the top of the head, but we're going to flop this over towards the right. So let's start from the top corner of the strap, bend this up, above the mask, go across. I'm going to stretch this out and then down towards the side. Let's go to the top corner of the strap on the right. We're going to add a fold. We're going to go up, bend that in. Now back on the tip, it's going to bend this down and then in towards the side of the head. Now let's move down along the side and draw in the body. We're going to start on the left side, bend this out and then down towards the hip. Go to the right side, do the same thing. Now let's connect the hips with a curve. Bend this down in the middle and then up. Let's step up and draw another curve for the top edge of the belt. Let's leave a gap in the center and draw two lines, one on the left and then one on the right of the buckle. Now let's draw in the arms tucked in behind the side of the body. Let's start from the bottom corner of the strap, then the arm coming down and then out on both sides. Let's round up the arm and then taper that in toward the side of the body. Let's go to the bottom corner of the belt. We're going to curve the body going out and then down towards the bottom. And we'll close off the bottom with a curve, coming down the middle and then back up. Let's tuck the feet in underneath the body, leaving a small gap in the center. Start on the left. We're going to bend this in and then down towards the heel. Go to the right and do the same thing. Now let's separate the heel, coming down and up with a short curve. Now let's draw a longer curve across the bottom of the foot. Coming down and then up. Let's curve the top of the foot, bend this up and then in underneath the body. And then want to add a thick sole across the bottom. So we're going to trace these two curves along the top. And then we'll sign an art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how to draw a Shy Guy from Super Mario. And once you're done, I want you to share your artwork into the Sketch Club on School, and you can do that by clicking the link down in the description below to start your 7-day free trial. And don't forget, by joining today, you get access to all our courses and workshops and all our membership features. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next one.